welcome back to Adam LZ Open House Part 2. If you guys want to see Part 1, check right up here. I'll post a link right there. So the scene here is basically a Focus ST owner decided to run over a bunch of traffic cones in front of a cop who was directing traffic. He wasn't very happy. Needless to say, guys, enjoyed the video.
Oh damn. Oh damn.
This is how you drive when you got your license? No, right?
Damn. Guy's in trouble. Getting busted. Dude's in trouble. Yeah, pick it up. Pick it up. This guy's not backing down at all. Yeah, put that cone back. You get him, officer. What do you think about that, Joe? Look at just all the cars. All the cars that couldn't get in. Even the R32, he couldn't get in. He must have been late. Looks pretty nice though. It's a GTT, or a GTST, sorry, I don't even know what I'm saying now. There's just so many cars here. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. I don't even know what I'm saying. There's just cars everywhere that couldn't even get into the main event. Some nice ones too. I mean, we got Skylines out here, nice 240s out here. A lot of Focus RSs. Super clean Evo in that direction. Actually, that's like the Evo crew over there. Like 4 or 5 Evos. Good Joe drooling over these Mustangs. He's straight up drooling. I mean, this one is really nice.
It's a 5.0.
Yeah, it's a 5.0. It's got a good stance going on. Hell yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Oh yeah. Skyline love on the channel, all day, every day. I want to get into the shop to show you guys what's up, but it's not looking great. It's not looking great at all, honestly. Alright, I think we got a decent spot for this.
Watch out! Okay, oh shit!
Oh my god, we're gonna hit you.
Try to go up here. One more time!
Got Adam LZ's S15. Cool. This thing sounds sick. Check out that. Oof. So clean. Jealous, I really am. Oh man. Got a nice R34 GTR. Look clean. Maybe one day. Cletus has arrived. And he's got something in the trailer, I'm sure. Hey!
The door right behind rolls up. Oh yeah! Sweet on the barbecue. Oh.
Disconnect this trailer, we want to see the RV.
Yeah. To unload the cars. We've been working all week to get this red car ready. So.
Oh jeez.
Give us a little bit. I saw a sign that said no burnouts on the way in.
Forget that. Forget it.
Throw that away.
There's no signs over here.
No, we'll be respectful. Hopefully. I do give in to peer pressure pretty easy. Hi boys. I hope you brought those to burn with that potato. Oh, we brought a whole set. Hey, thanks for whoever stopped me from this. That would have been a grand entrance.
When are you gonna get to firing these things up, man? Everyone's two-stepping. You can two-step at this thing. All right, how about that one? You got 2 RX-7s.
They're both,
TJ has 1.
They would be very...
Thus, you win.
TJ has an FD, a Supra, BRZ.
Yeah, but you
all
have
the shit
2.
TJ has. Oh,
But does he have a Jay-Z swapped RX-7?
No.
No.
Sure if he wanted one, I'm sure he could get one.
He can buy whatever he wants. Loud noises. All right, guys. I think this is an effective time to end this video. We're gonna be taking off here. Kind of got. They're still going on back there. It's a 2-step. We still got a 2-hour drive home, so have other things to do today. So we're gonna be taking off. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, throw this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to browse the channel and subscribe for more stuff, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and as usual, we'll catch you on the next video. Peace.